Hi, my name is Guddu and I'm going to give you a demonstration of Campus Heart mobile applications. So this is the customers app where you can find nearby shops and services categorized into various category like food, stores, services and all. And you can also see find promotions from them, like they can promote their business or any product or any offer they want to give. So both you can see the promotions as well as products they are selling. So for the demo purpose I have created a business account for SIIC, and let's try to order something. So this is a product that I have added, and so you just add the item into your cart. You proceed to checkout, and if you have already placed an order you will see the list of past delivery address. You go to next, and in the payment screen you have two options, to pay from the wallet and or you can also pay online. So I already have some money in my wallet, so I will just select my money and pay. Now my order is created, and you get notification on the business application Malik as well as the Rangers application. Let's go to the Malik application, which is used by the business owners, where they track uh, orders and they can manage their inventory. So in the orders tab you see one is showing, that means the one order is pending. So on the top also you can see that you have delivered 3 orders and one is pending. So I will click on the pending order, and you have two options, either you can confirm or cancel. So I'm gonna confirm this order, and after that confirmation I can also give a pickup time or a delivery time, so that the customer know when they can collect it or deliver it will get delivered. Now let's come to the Rangers application, which is used by the delivery boys and the delivery managers of an area. So you when you refresh, you see the latest order that has come, and to assign a ranger you select the order, you click on assign ranger, and assign the ranger you want to assign. So for every order there are two tasks created, one is pickup and one is deliver. So when you have picked up the item, you can select this button, and you can the business owner and the customer, they can also know which ranger is assigned, and they can also track the ranger real time on the uh, Google map. And same for the customers also, they can also see the name of the delivery boy, and as well as they can also track the order. So this is how it works. Let's complete the order, let's mark it delivered, and every time the Malik and the ranger, they all get notifications, so that everybody knows what is happening with the order. And so that's it, that's how the uh, this is the basic of Campus Heart application, and this will be very useful for the nearby shops and sellers, and also very convenient for the residents to order anything from nearby stores and services. Thank you.